Hello students, today we are going to compare the two methods, bisection method and the false position method. Okay, we will apply this method for the same numerical and we will observe number of iterations required in bisection and false position method, because the speciality of the false position method is it requires less number of iterations, because in this method we get the convergence very fast. Okay. So let us see here, we'll solve the numerical. F of x is cos x minus x e raised to x equal to 0. First of all, we'll solve it with the help of bisection method. So we'll try with 0 and zero point 0.5. If we find out f of 0, okay, randomly I'm taking 0 and zero point 0.5. I have checked f of 0 and f of zero point 0.5. Both are positive. So it will not work. So I'll try for zero point 0.7 say. Zero point 0.7 is coming as negative. So I will carry A as zero point 0.5, B as zero point 0.7. Okay. Because f of zero point 0.5 into f of zero point 0.7, it means f of A into f of B is less than 0. Because one of the answer we have got as positive, the other one as negative. And hence, we can surely say that root lies between zero point 0.5 and zero point 0.7. So these are our initial approximation. If it is not given in the example, you have to assume your initial approximations. So this is how you can make the assumption. Okay. So we will go for iteration number 1 with A as 0.5, B as 0.7. So C will be A plus B upon 2. So it is 0.6. We will find out f of 0.6. It is coming as negative. So surely now next for next iteration we will consider zero point 0.6 and zero point 0.5. Okay, so we will override B. Okay, we will overwrite B. Initially it was 0.5, 0.7 for first iteration, but for second iteration 0.6 will be there and the second root will be 0.5. So 0.7 is of no use, which was B. So we will overwrite it with the 0.6. So see here, for the iteration number 2, we have carried with 0.5 and 0.6 as f of 0.5 into f of 0.6 is less than 0. So we have to carry these two approximations. Okay. So we have got 0.55. We will find out f of 0.55. 0.5 and 0.6 we already have. So you observe here, this is minus, this is plus. So for next iteration, A will be say 0.5 and B will be 0.55. And we will move on in the similar way. Iteration number 3, iteration number 4, okay, iteration number 5, iteration number 6, and these are the results that we have got. Okay, so number of times, number of iterations you have to solve in the same way. So after 8th iteration, it has been observed that the root is repeating up to 3 decimal point. Okay, and we are stopping here considering that accuracy required is say 3 significant digits after the decimal point. So if we solve this numerical with bisection, we can conclude now that we need 8 iterations. Now same numerical we will solve with the false position method. So here with the false position, we know that initial approximation x0, x1 is 0.5 and 0.7. We will find out f of 0.5, f of 0.7, and these are the results. Just by replacing the value of x with 0.5, we get this answer. Replacing x with 0.7 in the given equation, we'll get this value. So as per the formula that we have discussed in last session, we will find out x2 by putting the values of x0, x1 and f of x0 and f of x1. So we have got the value of x2 as say 0.51, 5250. Okay. Now we will find out f of x2. So here it is. So here if you see the product, this is positive. So surely we will move ahead with x1, x2. And you can find out value of x3. So x3 we have calculated in the iteration number 2. In the similar way, we will find out x4 as well. So here is the x4 calculation. So if we observe second iteration and third iteration, we can observe that it is repeating. So we can say up to 3 decimal points, if we solve the same numerical with the help of false position or regular falsi method, we need only 3 iterations. Hence, we can conclude that false position method is better one as far as number of iterations are considered, because here we get the convergence very fast. Okay, so this is the speciality of false position method. I hope you have understood. We'll stop here.